Good morning, class 4. Today we have mathematics as usual, but new thing is what? Today new chapter, okay? Operations, number operations. That means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And today we will do addition and subtraction, simple addition and subtraction, okay? Because you have been doing that from class 1, isn't it? You know how to add, how to subtract, but still we'll do that. Start, I'll tell you how to arrange. That is very important, okay? Now, because you are in class 4, you don't need to write ones, tens, all these places you don't need to write, okay? Because you are in class 4, isn't it? You're what? 1 year older. In class 3, you had been writing ones, tens, 100, 1,000, but no need. Now, you should be able to arrange it. Okay. So, first number, this is semicolon. Even if there is no semicolon, you should be able to understand this is the first number, this is the second number, and third, fourth, fifth. Because I think some students mixing this single digit with other digits, okay? So this is one digit number, remember that, one digit number. Now let's arrange. First thing is 714, right? 714, and you are using that, isn't it? In those boxes, in one box or one square, you have to put one digit only. Remember, don't write 2 digits in one box or 3 digits in one box. One digit for one box or one square for one digit. Okay, so 714. Okay, now second one is 56. It should be written in second line. 6, it is in ones place. This is ones, tens, 100. You know that. So 6 is in ones place. 5 is in 100, so this is hundreds. Okay, now second line also finished. Now third line, 8 goes to ones place because it is already in ones place. 4 is in tens place, then 0 is in hundreds place, 2 is in thousands place. Like this you have to arrange. Now next line, 7, one digit number 7. 7 is in ones place. Like this, okay? Now the last number is this one. So start from 3. 3 is in ones place. 7 is in tens place. 0 is in hundreds place. Another 0 in thousands place. 2 is in 10,000s place. You know that ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, isn't it? Okay? So now you have finished arranging the numbers. Now addition sign, don't forget to put addition sign because you are doing addition, okay? And it will be better if you put 0 in this one, empty spaces, okay? 0, 0, 0, 0. Here also 0, 0, okay. You can, it will be easy to add if you do like this, okay. The empty spaces fill up with 0 because if you don't put 0, if you are careless, some students are so careless, isn't it? Some, not all. They will write this 4, they will write down. If there is empty space, this carelessly if they wrote, 4 will come down, okay, and it will be like that. So answer will be wrong afterwards. So it will be better if you put 0 in empty spaces. Now count, you know counting, isn't it? 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 6, like that. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, isn't it? 18. Then 24 plus 4, 28. Then 2 left, you'll write it here, carry over, okay? Then 2 plus 1 will be 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 5, 4, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. Then again 1 carried. Okay. Then 8, nothing out here. So 8 only. Here only 2. Only 2. So this is the answer. Let me check. You also check. Okay. Answers are correct or not. 10, 18. 18 plus 6, 24, 28. 2 plus 7, 9, 10, 13, 18, 19. 1 left. 1 plus 7, 8, 2, 2. Okay. So you got 2, 2, 8, 9, 8. That means 1 stains 100, comma 20,000, 10,000, 22,898. Okay. So you all know addition, how to add, but arrangement is important because I've seen students doing like this. This is wrong. Ones, start from ones place. When you turn to blackboard, your right hand side will be ones place. Okay, not this side. So ones, start from here, not this one. This is wrong. Okay, so arrangement is very, very important in addition and subtraction. Okay, so that was addition. That was addition. Now let's do subtraction. Now in subtraction, whatever the question is, okay, the question might be like subtract this minus this, and this is very easy. This one will be in first line, the other number will be in second line, isn't it? Now the question might be subtract this from this. Okay, that time, which one is in the first? You write that. No. Which number is near that from? Subtract 5 from 6. So which number comes after from, that will be first and this will be in the second line. Okay. Now another one is find the difference. Find the difference between. These type of questions are there. Okay, in subtraction. So you need to understand difference means subtraction's answer, and subtract this from this means the number which is after from, that you have to write first and the other one in second line. Okay, this one is easy. But in all these, easy method is you just find out, compare the digits. Which one is bigger, you write that first. Okay, in any type of question, you can do that. So it's better to compare the digits. We learned before how to compare the digits. First count the digits, isn't it? Count the number of digits. Here 6 digits, here 5 digits. So naturally, which one you write? This one first, this one second. If both 6 digits, you'll compare the first digit. Which one is bigger? That will be first. Okay? So like that. So don't depend on the question. You just keep it in your mind that which one is bigger, you compare. Okay? Compare the number. Which one is bigger, you write it first. So here this one is bigger. So I'm going to write it here. 5, 0, 6, 2, okay, 3, 4. Then arrange this one. 5 in ones, 8 in tens, 0 in hundreds, 2 in thousand, 9 in 10,000. And don't write sign out here. This is numbers place. Okay. So here outside that numbers place, you write the sign. Then you can fill up this one also with 0, empty space with 0. It will be easier. Okay. Now start subtracting. You cannot subtract 5 from 4 because 5 is bigger. You have learnt in class 3 also, isn't it? You have to borrow 1 from here. 14 minus 5, Start counting from 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. So 14 minus 5 will be 9. Then 1 gone already, 2 left. 2 cannot subtract 8. So again 1 you will bring here, it will become 12. This 2 will be 1. Okay, 12 minus 8 will be 4. Okay, from 8 you start counting 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 here. So 1 minus 0 will be 1, not 0. Remember that. Why this subtraction is very important? Because why? In division also we have to subtract. That time, even if you know division, you will make mistake. You will make mistake in subtraction. That time I have seen students writing 1 minus 0, 0 or 2 minus 0, 0. It won't be like that. Okay. So you have, I'll teach you properties next time. Okay. Properties of subtraction and addition. That time you'll know. So here 1 minus 0 is 1 and 6 minus 2 is 4. Now this side 0 again, 0 cannot subtract from 5. It will ask for 1, and here after giving 1 it has 4. So 10 minus 9, 1, and 4 minus 0, 4. Okay, so simple. If you are doing in your math copy, use ruler. Okay, use ruler. 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 9. Then 1 tens 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, 4 lakh, 14,149. You practice this also. Putting commas, because you have done it already in number, first chapter. Okay, so then try to read it. Try to read it. Like this falls under lakh. So 4 lakh, 14,149. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, thank you.